Klaus is a multi-project manager at Metaforge. Every customer order is planned and managed as a project on the Allex platform. A major customer has just placed a large order with multiple projects. Klaus wants to easily see the impact this new order will have on existing projects and assess how these new projects can integrate into his current portfolio without disrupting ongoing initiatives. Therefore, Klaus uses simulation mode. He rearranges projects, adjusts priorities, and immediately sees the impact on timelines and resources on other projects. The Allex simulation mode is a space to explore different scenarios to help make better decisions across all projects without affecting live data. Now Klaus simulated 2 versions, including the new orders, and presents them in the upcoming management meeting. Together, they review the different versions and decide on the best option, which Klaus can then publish with a single click. Once published, the whole portfolio is updated and all affected project managers instantly see the new due dates for their projects, and team leads see the new sequence directly in their boards. With Allex's simulation mode, Klaus and his colleagues can simple and easily explore different portfolio simulations before making a decision, leading to better data-driven decisions and greater planning confidence.